Instead, the Balisong conveniently and safely stores in half its length, and the handles do double duty by sheathing the blade as well as quickly pivoting around to form a sturdy handle. The Balisong is an improvement over the typical folding knife because it can be opened with only one hand.
God damn. I only had one.
Each of our butterfly knives is made up of a blade and two handles as being the basic ingredients, and of course a locking latch. Most pocket knives have maybe as many as 10 working parts, and they have to have those working parts supported by handle slabs, your liners, your inserts, and your bolsters, and those all have to be put together. And again, like the original Filipino butterfly knives, you had one part pinned or glued to another part, and the knife was only as strong as its weakest link. Whereas in our knives, you'll notice that each handle is one piece with the U shape in it. There's really nothing to break, come off, chip. There's no rivets to fail on it. It's just one piece of metal. It began the manufacturing process as a singular bar of steel, and we basically machined everything away. It's not a knife handle. The knives themselves start out as raw stainless steel, and each one is hand profiled.
Construction of a custom Balisong begins with the knife maker, using an electric scriber and blade template to first trace the shape of a custom blade onto specially blended 440C stainless steel. Next, with a drill press and special drill fixtures, both the handle and tang holes are drilled into the blade. Precise holes are required for perfect alignment necessary in the final assembly stage. The hand process continues, with the knife maker carefully utilizing a grinder to make the finishing profile on the blade. Careful attention is required to prevent excessive grinding in any one spot